Langston, you okay in there?
I'm okay, Daleen.
I'll come check on you later after the storm's over.
Thank you.
Okay, I checked the basement, no rain coming in.
Oh, good.
I hope it doesn't flood down there, but I'll keep on checking the rain buckets throughout the day.
Just let me know.
But it seems like for now, all is well in the workshop.
Everyone's busy.
And it looks like we have a real focused worker back here.
She is concentrating on her costume.
She said that after the performance fiasco, she likes making costumes better anyway.
And I also heard there's a reveal later.
Great. You doing good over here, Nico?
Yep. Daleen told me if I want to be good at painting, I should keep practicing my drawing. So I'm drawing a picture of something I saw on TV last night.
Oh, what was it?
It was on a show called Spooky Spookington Spooky Stories and Other Spooky Tales.
Oh, sounds kind of spooky.
Yep, but it was the fun kind of spooky. Not the kind of spooky that's so spooky that it gives me spooky dreams.
Oh, I like that kind of spooky too. Some people do not like scary stories, and that is A-okay. Oh, can I see your drawing?
Oh, go ahead.
Oh.
Oh, too spooky?
Oh, no, not too spooky.
This is the monsterizer. He was a little scarier in the show, so I made him look sillier. Sometimes, if I see something that scares me, I'll draw a picture of it looking funny or silly, and that makes it not seem so scary anymore.
That's a good idea.
Oh, the monsterizer is the most monstrous kind of monster there is. He goes around eating buildings for breakfast while looking and sounding like this. Oh.
As long as it is not too scary for you.
Hello, hello, hello!
Hey, Zora!
Hey, Zora.
I hear you have a new creation to share.
Oh, I do. Oh, and this requires musical accompaniment.
Ooh.
Ta-da!
Oh!
Wow, Zora. How long did it take you to make all of that?
Oh, Nico, I'm not sure. I start on my costumes, and suddenly hours have gone by when it feels like only minutes. Oh, and look. I made these sleeves. Oh, excuse me. I made these sleeves out of scarves. And, oh, this part here, this is made out of an old umbrella. But it feels like something is missing. Like something to really complete the outfit, like a wig, or a headdress, or something. This is it.
That's the monsterizer.
Oh, hello, monsterizer. This will be the inspiration my costume needs. Nico, may I use this as inspiration?
Well, sure. What are you thinking of making?
A mask. Oh, thank you, Nico. I promise not to hurt your monsterizer artwork. And I will return it to you as soon as I am finished. Off to create!
It looks pretty good.
Wow, Frank, tell me about this.
This, Alex, is a ball coaster. You see, you put a ball way up there on the top in that first cup up there, and then the ball goes down and around and around and around and lands right there.
I love a good coaster. What's your plan once it's finished?
Well, I saw online there's a contest for the greatest ball machine ever. Creators from all over the world enter their amazing ball coaster creations. I'd love to enter it, but I don't know.
What's stopping you, Frank?
I guess I'm just a little too scared. I mean, what if I don't win?
Well, you definitely will not win if you don't try, Frank. Well, that is what life is all about. It's about making safe and healthy choices while exploring this incredible world of ours.
You mean being scared can be a good thing?
Oh, yeah. It can let you know when you're in danger or when you need to ask for help.
Well, that makes sense.
Well, and there's also the kind of fear that stops us from doing fun and exciting things. Take this ball, for instance. Hello, Ball.
What's up?
Ball, does this coaster look fun to you?
Ooh, this is a real live ball coaster. I've always heard of them, but never knew they truly existed until now.
Would you like to try it?
Let's do this! Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah! Cowabunga! Whoa! Loop-de-loop! Whoa! Now I'm going down the spiral! Whoa! Big finish! Awesome! Oh, wow. Talk about a life-changing experience.
See, Frank?
There is so much of the world out there to see. Peace out, workshop. Whoa!
Nico, my creation is finished. Look, 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 everybody. I made a mask inspired by Nico's artwork.
Oh, wow. Great job, Zora. That's a beautiful.
Oh, it's so cool. Oh, it looks just like my drawing. Can you show us the whole costume?
Great idea. I'll be right back.
Let me give you a hand.
Oh, this reminds me of the part of the show where the mad scientist brought her creation, the monsterizer, to life.
I hope it's not too scary, is it, Nico?
Oh, no, it's not too scary, but let me know if it becomes too much for you, Frank. It was a dark and stormy night. The mad scientist was working feverishly in her lab, creating her most dramatic and shocking creation yet. The thunder thundered, and the lightning lightened. It was spooky, but not too spooky. A fierce wind blew into the lab. Whirls of machines whirled, and the creature started to grow. The mad scientist assistant lurched about the lab, doing the scientist's bidding at the snap of her fingers. At last, it was time to activate the beast. In an instant, the thunder thundered, and with a violent crack of lightning, the monsterizer was revealed!
Ta-da! Don't I look fabulous?